Hi everybody, it's Donna Chabrier, your friend, neighbor, and realtor with Next Home. I'm out today doing a virtual tour and I can do the same for you. We're over here in East Roseville in this wonderful neighborhood of Johnson Ranch. We're at a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. It's almost 2,300 square feet and it's a one-story, that elusive one-story that everyone's always looking for. It's wonderful schools over here, Excelsior Elementary, Olympus Junior High, and of course Granite Bay High School, so you can't get any better. Let's go in and take a look. And there you have it. It looks like a super nice place. So if you see something online that you're interested in, you need a few more details, give me a call. I'll come out there with my gloves and my mask on. I'll do a tour for you. I can give you a call through via FaceTime, and we'll take a look at it together as a first step.